Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sunbros video. Today's video is not a tutorial, it's actually me solving the Rubik's Cube, one turn per day, and it was inspired to me by Lego Boys 3, and I will leave a link to his channel in the description, check it out, and here is the scramble. The first move is going to be U, L prime, B, R, F, U, F, U, B2, U2, E prime, F prime, R, U prime, R prime, B, U2, B prime, F, U, F prime, U, F, U2, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, U2, R2, D, R prime, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime, and the final move is going to be U. Alright guys, that's it for this video. After 39 days, I have completed the Rubik's Cube. Please leave a like if you found this interesting, and subscribe for more great videos like this. Thanks for watching.